It's hard to say maybe which of these is more iconic, the Glenfinnan Viaduct with all its history, or Harry Potter's Hogwarts Express, both of which bring hundreds of thousands of visitors here each year. But this towering structure is now undergoing a pretty complicated facelift, with rope access teams repairing concrete across the bridge's 21 arches. The viaduct has stood here for over 123 years, allowing people to make the journey from Fort William to Mallaig and back. But to see a sense of the scale of this project, you really need to get a wider perspective. It's taken years to get this work even to this stage. Laura's been working on the project for more than 6 years. Why was it important not to have to put up huge bits of scaffolding?
One of the main benefits is the cost, but also this is a much loved structure on this line. West Highland Line is loved by many. It's very well known as the Harry Potter Bridge as well, as I'm sure you well know. We didn't want to take that away. We have over 600,000 visitors up here every year, year on year, and I think that's increasing this year.